Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Some people might ask, what is the meaning behind the popular idiom, the icing on the cake? Let's find out its origin and significance of this commonly used phrase. Imagine a delicious cake, perfectly baked and decorated with sweet, creamy icing. The icing is the final touch, the extra element that makes the cake even more special. In the same way, the icing on the cake refers to something that enhances a very good situation. It represents that extra bit of joy or happiness that makes everything even better. The phrase is often used to describe small additions or events that improve a positive experience. For example, receiving a bonus at work after a successful project can be the icing on the cake. Winning a contest and getting to meet your favorite celebrity could also be considered the icing on the cake. If this lesson was the icing on the cake for you, please subscribe and like the video. Bye for now.